Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are aiming for top campus placements and wondering how to crack Capgemini, then you are in the right place. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of my Capgemini on-campus interview experience, what they asked, how I prepared, and tips that can boost your chances. Whether you are nervous about the process or just curious, this video will give you the insider edge, so let's dive right in. The Capgemini on-campus selection started with an extensive online written test conducted through platforms like OKCupid. It had multiple sections, including a game-based aptitude test and essay writing segments, where I had to write about topics like solar energy investments, technical questions, spoken English, and coding challenges. The test had around 170 questions to be completed in approximately 145 minutes, and only candidates scoring above the 70 percentile moved on to the next round. Following that was the technical interview. They asked me fundamental questions on programming language like Java, C, C++, as well as data structure and SQL concepts. Some examples include who invented C programming, explain the data redundancy, explain the four pillars of OOPS, what are SQL joins like inner joins, outer joins, and coding problems involving stacks and queues. I also discussed my project in detail, emphasizing my role and the technical challenges we solved. The final HR round was focused on my personality, motivation, and cultural fit for Capgemini. I was asked common HR questions like introduce yourself, what are your strengths and weaknesses, and how do you handle stress. Interestingly, they also asked about something personal like my state dance and some interesting facts about me, which helped lighten the mood and connect on a personal level. Something I want to share with you all is about the STAR method I used during my interview answers. Honestly, I didn't know about the STAR method before this interview. It was actually mentioned in an on campus pre placement talk by Accenture. Out of curiosity, I quickly researched what the STAR method is while I was still on campus, and I really liked how it structures your answers. For those who aren't familiar with the STAR method, stands for situation, task, action, and result. It is a simple way to frame your experiences and answers during interviews. Here you can pause this video and note the explanation of STAR method. I found this approach really effective for clearly communicating my experiences and making my answers more structured. I highly recommend you to learn and practice the STAR method. It can make a big difference in how your answers come across to interviewers. Honestly, staying calm and being genuine was my biggest strength. Even if I wasn't 100% sure about an answer, I shared my thought process clearly. The interviewer appreciated my confidence and honesty. My advice for you would be practice aptitude questions daily, revise your projects and explain them using the STAR method, work on your communication. Capgemini, not only Capgemini, all the company, any company will values clarity and positivity, and most importantly, just be yourself. Treat every interview as a learning opportunity, not a judgment. If you want me to cover interviews of other companies, let me know in the comments. That was my complete Capgemini interview experience. I hope this helps you prepare better and boost your confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such placement stories. Thank you.